Back in 2013, we were deployed to a pretty remote spot in eastern Afghanistan, running joint patrols with some local forces. One day, we were doing a routine security patrol when our radio operator, Hodge, realized his comms were acting weird. Lots of static, distorted signals, the works. To test it, he thought he was sending a private signal ping back to base, just a standard all systems check. Well, somehow the wrong frequency was active, and what he actually did was trigger a priority code that made it sound like we were requesting immediate close air support. We didn't even know anything was wrong until we heard this thunderous roar overhead and looked up to see a pair of A-10s circling low. Over the radio, a very intense voice came through, "Angels overhead. Identify targets." Panic instantly set in because we were standing in the middle of a peaceful village marketplace handing out school supplies. No hostiles anywhere. Our platoon leader had to practically beg the pilots to stand down without making it sound like we'd completely botched the call. Hodge was banned from touching the radio for 2 weeks. His new call sign? Casper, short for close air support, and also because he almost ghosted us by accident.